Hi, my name is Jim Buss, and I'd like to welcome you to the 2020 Virtual Manufacturing Day. I am the Vice President of ATAS International, a family-owned and operated company that began in 1963 in my parents' basement. As the business continued to grow, we moved from Rochester, New York to our current location in Allentown, Pennsylvania in 1984. ATAS is a leading manufacturer of metal roofs, walls, and ceilings and accessories for the commercial, institution, and residential markets. Today's tour will take you through our main production facility. We also have a second facility in Upper Macungie, one in Mesa, Arizona, and our painting lines in Morrisville, Pennsylvania, and Trenton, New Jersey. You will get the opportunity to hear from our employees of what they do and their experiences here at ATAS. We hope you enjoy learning about what we do here at ATAS and manufacturing in general. You will have the opportunity to ask questions using the form at the end of the page, and someone will respond to you accordingly. We hope you enjoyed your tour, and thank you very much for paying attention.